I'm starting a new Ftmo challenge and I'll be sharing every trade with you guys. I've been trading prop firms since 2022 and I've been able to pass hundreds of challenges with over $500,000 in live funding. But then the unexpected happened. One after the other, prop firms started to shut down, with my Forex funds being one of the first. At that time I had live funded accounts with them, and to make matters worse, True Forex funds also ended up shutting down, leaving me with a lot of resentment. However, now that the dust has settled and a clear distinction has been made, it's time to bounce back. And what better way to do it than to share the journey with you guys. So if you guys are interested in passing your own prop firm challenge, make sure to check out the Trade Ideas channel, where I'll be sending all the trades that I take live. The link will be in the description down below. With that being said, in this video I'm going to show you the process of purchasing a 100k Ftmo challenge, and if you guys stick around till the end, I'll be sharing the exact game plan, which includes my strategy that I'll be using to pass this challenge. So let's get into it. Right, so let's get this Ftmo challenge purchased. So let's click on to client area and then start Ftmo challenge, and I'm going to be going for the USD account type with the 100k balance, and then I'm going to go for Ftmo because I want to prioritize the leverage in comparison to 1 to 30 leverage. So I want to go for 1 to 100 and then MT5, and then I'm just going to blur out this billing information, and then we're going to pay in USD. Just tick all of this off and press confirm and proceed. So here we are. These are the 4 different methods you can pay with. I'm going to be paying with crypto, and so there is a 3% fee which I'm happy to pay, and then we're going to go for USD Tether. So I'm just going to pay this in crypto and then I'll be back with you guys. Right, here we are. It's paid, confirmed, everything's done now, and we can go back to merchant, continue to client area. It's just updated. We can go to the metrics now and to see this properly. And here you have it. This is the updated terminal for Ftmo. I haven't started this yet. Now these are live metrics, so every time I take a trade, it will be updated live. I've got my credentials here. I'm going to connect it to my MT5. Right, here you have it. I've got my Ftmo MT5 logins. As you can see on the bottom left, I've got the 100k account, and this is the position size tool I was talking about, which Ftmo do as well, which is very helpful to calculate your lot sizes for your trades, so you can easily just buy and sell right from here. Now that the account is all set up and good to go, let's go over the exact approach that I'll be using to pass this challenge. Now, over the years of trading Forex, I've been able to spot a pattern in the markets, and through trial and error has allowed me to develop an edge. This pattern states the following. In an uptrend, as price action is forming higher highs and higher lows, we are likely to retrace back into either the previous higher high point, which you call a support, or the most recent higher low point, which you call a level of demand. Now from these two levels we can expect some sort of reaction, and it is that exact reaction that I'll be capitalizing off to pass this Ftmo challenge. The opposite is also true, where your previous lower low point will be classified as the resistance and the most recent lower high point would act as a level of supply. And then from there I'll be entering the trade at a 1% risk, as we no longer have any time restraints, and so we can take our time and execute the correct risk management with a minimum target of a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. I'll be looking to take these trades during New York session, in particular the 1 to 3:30 p.m. kill zone. And although we have a 5% daily drawdown limit, I will only be taking 1 trade a day, risking a maximum of 1%, and therefore we will only be going into a maximum drawdown of 1% in any one losing day. Another important aspect when it comes to risk management are fundamentals. Now from my experience, it is not worth trading 3 major USD news events, which are CPI, NFP and FOMC, and therefore I will not be trading on those 3 particular days to ensure capital preservation, as that is our first priority as professional traders. And finally, the last part of the risk management rules will be to cut our losses short if the setup is no longer valid. This strategy has been tried and tested with a huge log of data collected. This has allowed me to filter out all the bad habits and mistakes that I would make, and secondly, to develop a track record for me to build confidence to hold my trades and follow my strategy. This is just a brief summary of the strategy that I'll be using to pass this challenge. There is so much more detail which goes into it, which I will not be able to conclude in a single video. I do however have a course which teaches this exact strategy from A to Z for those of you which are eager to learn. I will also leave the link for that in the description down below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. For more Ftmo related content, click over here.